Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase Greta themes for your WordPress website. So we purchase all the Greta themes for you for your website and for our store. Okay, so in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect this type of product page. Okay, so here you can see all Greta themes activation with original license key. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime, auto update, installation manually. We will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and after that you have to select any Greta theme. Okay, so Greta have lots of WordPress theme. So Greta's official website is not loading. Some error establishing a database connection. So I can't show you the official website of Greta themes, but here you can see we have almost all the Greta themes. Okay, so if you need anything else, you just click and select this theme and click add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name and other information, and select your payment and confirm your payment. Okay, after that you will redirect this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button, so just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will activate your plugin, your any theme, any Greta theme with our original license key. So you will get all the future update. Okay, so that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.